Hello students and friends. Today in this homeopathic materia medica lesson I will discuss about homeopathic medicine mercurius sulphuric. Before start this video, please subscribe to this channel. We need support from you to make this channel more beautiful. Watery stools, burning in anus, sore tip of tongue, edema of legs, sneezing from direct rays of sun, diarrhea early in the morning, stool bursts out in a hot stream of yellow matter, intense evacuations, like rice water, scanty, clear, scalding urine, intense dyspnea, must sit up, respiration rapid, short, burning in chest, hydrotrax, Rs, cardiac pain and weakness, merc, self, will sometimes help when you have a case of hydrothorax with quick, short breathing, etc., and burning of the chest. If you go to an old case of hypostatic congestion, with dropsy, or a case of dyspnea from hydrotrax, when the merc base is present, you will be astonished at the action of this sulfate. Thanks for watching this video. For more updates please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to learn homeopathy course online. Thank you. Have a nice day.